Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this drawing, and he said he's using a macro that's a line generator. And I don't know where he's trying to go with it, but I drew these two in like a minute. I mean, really easy, look pretty cool. I don't know what he's trying to do, but I thought I'd show this off. We have talked before on email, but I can't really remember what we were even talking about. I get so many emails. I'm going to draw an ellipse. I'm going to go up to object, and you could use any shape. I'm going to go convert it to a curve, and then I'm going to take the shape tool, and I'm going to try to get it like right in between those two nodes and bring it in and try to make it somewhat symmetrical. And you can see it's pretty close, and you could play around with this, you know, and till the cows come home. Let's delete a node and see what happens. Nope, can't do both, so let's don't do either. Just back up here. And you could, definitely play around with it. And anyway, that's good enough for the video. And then take that same one and Control D, hold down the Shift key and just make it smaller. The Shift will make it grow from inside out. Place it inside your item, go up to Effects and Blend, and I'm just going to blend 33 times. Now that doesn't look so impressive till we using his colors and a black background, like an edge light would be. Now, you're still in blend mode, so there's no mirroring yet. We can Control D and make a duplicate, and then we could spin it to wherever we want to, okay? Or we could go to Object and break the blend apart, and now we have mirror. I would go ahead and make sure it's grouped together, Control G, hit the plus key on your keyboard and mirror it. Grab those two, hit the plus key and mirror them the other way. I mean, the possibilities are endless if you really look close. I mean, look at the fine detailed lines. They're separated perfectly. I think this is actually too busy, but you could, look at that. So I don't know what he's trying to do with a line generator, but I don't think you could beat that. And that would make a pretty cool edge light. And if you basically close this off, somehow I got another duplicate there. If you close this off, there's a new shape that you could possibly put a whole new, do it again with that shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. This is probably my favorite right here. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.